Hi, Dryft here. Got a new addition to the fleet. Got a Audi A3 Sline. Got a few things we're going to have to do on it. It's pretty tidy. It's a 1.8 turbo TFSI with a dual clutch automated manual gearbox with the paddle shifts, 6-speed, really fun to drive actually. And what are we going to do with it? Well, it's going to be the wife's runaround. She's got a learner's license, so she needs a little run around. It's a good size for her. It's got some good points about it already. It's got Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tyres all around, and it's the S-Line, so it's got leather and Alcantara upholstery and higher spec audio and infotainment. Well, not really infotainment back in 2009, but MMI interface anyway. Cruise control, automatic wipers, automatic headlights, all that sort of thing. So it's a well-spec car, run around, and it's more economical than the rest of the fleet too. So yeah, what are we going to do? What are we going to do to it? Over the next few weeks, I'll post up some videos as we do things to the car. But just to go through a bit of a list already. Not going to refurbish the wheels just yet. It's got some scuffs on the curb side where it's been curbed in the past. Not hugely, but lightly, and I feel the wife will probably curb them a little bit more as she gets practice driving, so we're not going to do too much with those. But it needs a buff. The whole thing needs a buff up, a polish. There's the bonnet strut has no gas in it in the front bonnet, so we're going to replace that. There's a rattle in the back, which is one of the under panels, which shields the trailing arm for the rear suspension. That's loose, needs a screw in there tightened up. And then there's a few aesthetic things also. Oh, before summer, I'm going to tint the windows like the S6, make them nice and dark, so keep it from getting too hot inside. Already got my friend Josh at the Stoke Industries making up Dryft Kinewi decals for the windows, so that'll be the same as the other vehicles all have on them. And what else will we be doing to it? I'll think of some other things. Probably eventually we might get it in and have some tuning done or remapping done on the computer, see what we can actually achieve with that, to get a bit more horses out of it, although it does go really well. I'm not sure exactly what the kilowatt the specs are with the standard 1.8 TFSI S-Line, but I'll look it up. 2009 model it is. Yeah, might add a few decals to the wheels too, and a couple of other things I found on online, some bits and pieces, Audi bits and pieces, registration sticker holder with the Audi logos on, and a couple of other things. But I'll host up the videos as we do that, so there's something to look forward to seeing. Anyway, that's all for now. I'm Dryft. Thanks for watching. Click on subscribe so you get notified of upcoming videos as they come out. Thank you.